This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101. Reasonable person is a test, and this is based on each jurisdiction. And here's the problem. As business people, I think we tend to be some of the more rational people in our society, but the reasonable person test, unfortunately, is has become more and more unfair, especially to business defendants. So we are talking in Chapter 9 about torts. These are civil wrongs. And we were talking about the subject of negligence. And the question becomes, did you act reasonably when you did whatever you did that may or may not have caused damage to someone? And so the problem that we've run into in our modern American society is such a litigious society that it seems that just about whatever you do, you're liable, especially if you're a business, if you're viewed as a deep pocket, you're viewed as someone who has a reasonable amount of money, perhaps a professional person like the people we have on the call tonight, and so forth. So community customs, again, many of our communities are going very far out on the edge where pretty much everybody is viewed as having responsibility. If there's an emergency, you may not be responsible in the situation where you stop and render aid. You see someone laying on the sidewalk, maybe he's been hit by a car or perhaps has had a stroke or a heart attack. You pretty much have a free hit, with one important exception. If you are a medical professional, you are not supposed to walk past the person. And if you render aid as a medical professional, you have a reduced standard, but you still have to meet a significant standard to provide aid, whereas a layman, a non-medically trained professional, has a lot more flexibility under what we call the Good Samaritan laws.